Cool apps called Equals, make friends via music, make friends through music, super fans, chat rooms, chat, discover, show, listen. So let's just open it up. It's kind of alternative to the app called Turn Up, where you can also match through music. Many other apps where you can make friends through music. Also, it's kind of like music dating. The idea is that it's kind of like, I don't know, making friends. I don't know whether it's for dating, but here you just select filters. You can select something like that, and then you need to verify. Just take a selfie to make sure that you're not AI or something like that, and then you have messages and so on. And the idea is that you just add groups, musics you like, and then you just matching up with people who also like similar music. Then you can just add digital vinyls as you want. There is also like credits, which you can just get these credits. There is equals plus and equals pro. So equals plus and equals pro, which you can get, and digital vinyls. By the way, also you can get free credits in here, if you wanna. There is a boost your account. So there are some music quiz which you do, and then you're matched based on that with other people. You can search people, and then if you tap on your credits in top right, there is how you can get these credits for free. You can just do daily check-ins. You can then just top up by credits. You can just send your DMs, 3 profile photos, add 5 users. You can invite friends. Basically, here's my invite code, so feel free to use my invite code. And then basically, I will get free credits. I don't know whether you will get free credits, but that's what it is. So yeah, there you have it. I don't know whether this app is on Android, but yeah, it's growing in charts in iOS. People say age verification. There is one problem. Whenever I tried to do my age verification, it kept saying I was in the wrong age group. So there is some age verification bug and few glitches here and there, but overall it's a good app which is quickly growing to the top charts, as you can see in the music category. So definitely check it out. It's, as you can see, number 50 right now in US App Store for music apps. So try it out.